Hello everyone. We are starting with the last topic of our chapter number 3. Let's look at this topic, very simple topic, that change in profit sharing ratio amongst the existing partners. So even the existing partners thought, okay, new partner is coming in, let's change even our profit sharing ratio, let's change even our terms of agreement. So sometimes the partners of a firm decide to change their existing profit sharing ratio without any admission or retirement of a partner. This results in a gain of additional shares in future profits of the firm for some partners, while a loss for part thereof for other partners. For example, A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 8:5:3. It is felt that A will no more be able to actively participate in the affairs of the firm. Hence, with the effect from 1st April 2007, they decided that in future they will share profits in the ratio of 5:6:5. This results in A losing how much share? Earlier his share was 8/16, now his share is 5/16, so he is losing 3/16 in profits, while B and C are gaining. How much B is gaining? 6/16 minus 5/16, 1/16, and he is getting 2/16. In such a situation, the loss and gain in the value of goodwill, if any, will have to be adjusted. This is done by crediting sacrificing partners and debiting gaining partners with appropriate amounts, as is explained earlier in the context of admission of a new partner. Any change in profit sharing ratio, like admission of a partner, may also involve adjustment in respect of revaluation of assets and liabilities, transfer of accumulated profits and losses to the partners' capital accounts in the old profit sharing ratio, and adjustment of partners' capital accounts is specified so as to make them proportionate to the new profit sharing ratio. All this is done in the same way in case of admission of a partner. So let's see, there is only one illustration to explain this topic. Let's look at it. Dinesh, Ramesh and Suresh are partners in the firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:3:2. They decided to share profits equally with effect from 1st April 2015. So no new partner is coming in. They just decided amongst themselves, let's change the terms of partnership. Now, balance sheet, before this, on 31st March 2016 was as follows. I believe ideally it should be 31st March 2015, because from the very next day it should change. Let's see. Creditors, general reserve, partners, loan, partners, capital, cash at bank, bills receivable, sundry debtors, stock, fixed assets. It was also decided fixed assets should be revalued, a provision of 5% on sundry debtors be made on doubtful debts. The goodwill of the firm at this date would be at 4.5 years purchase of the average net profit of the last 5 years, which were 14,000, 17,000, 20,000, 22 and 27,000. Value of stock is to be reduced to 1,12,000, and goodwill was not to appear in the books. Pass essay journal entries and prepare revised balance sheet. So what we have to do? We have to revise these figures. First of all, fixed assets, it's increasing, I guess. Yeah, fixed assets. 3,31,000 should be the value. Right now the value is 2,80,000. So yes, it's increasing. So fixed assets to revaluation 51,000. The stock is decreasing, and provision, obviously it's an expense for us, is a loss for us, so revaluation is getting debited. Now whatever was the revaluation, profit or loss, it's a profit which is getting credited to the old partners in the old ratio, which is 3:3:2. General reserve also belongs to the old partner. It's also getting distributed in the old ratio of 3:3:2. Now, what will happen? Because see how much old partners or new, there is no new partners. The earlier ratio and the new ratio, there has to be some difference. So old share was 3:3:2. New share is 1:1:1. So what is the sacrifice? 3/8 minus 1/3. So here 3/8 minus 1/3. 9, 3 into 3, 9, 8 into 1, 8, minus 8 into 3, 24, 1 upon 24. Here also same, 1 upon 24, same calculation. Here the calculation is 2 upon 8 minus 1 upon 3, that is 6, minus 8 upon 24, that is minus 2 upon 24. So see, they both are in positive. How much? 1 upon 24, 1 upon 24, 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 24, 2 upon 24. Whatever they are sacrificing, Dinesh and Ramesh, is the gain by Suresh. So Suresh is gaining. So whosoever is gaining will give to the sacrificing partner. So he is sacrificing because we are calculating sacrificing ratio. If sacrificing ratio comes in negative, that becomes gaining ratio. Okay, so he is gaining. Okay, so now let's calculate goodwill. So total profits, average profit by 5, 20,000 multiplied by 4.5, 9,000. Now, how much he is gaining? 2 upon 24, and how much they are sacrificing? 1 upon 24 and 1 upon 24. That is the exact amount that they will get. Okay, so Suresh is expected to bring in 7,500 as he gains 2 upon 24. How did he come to this figure? So 90,000 minus multiply by 2 upon 24. Whatever is his gain, 1, 12, 3 4s 12, 3 30,000, 4 1 4 7,500. Okay, so this he is supposed to bring 7,500. Now Dinesh is expected to receive how much? 1 upon 24 of 90,000. So I guess 3750 and 3750. So he will get 3750 and Ramesh is also going to get 3750. So let's see. Yeah, his capital is getting debited by 7,500, and these both who are sacrificing, gaining to sacrificing, always remember what it will be. It will always be gaining partners debit to sometimes it happens that more than one partner is also gaining, like more than one partner is sacrificing. So the formula will always remain, the journal entry will be gaining partners account debit to sacrificing partners capital accounts. Now let's look at the capital accounts and then the balance sheet. So this is the opening balances, this is the profit or revaluation, this is the general reserve distribution, and this is what Dinesh and Ramesh is getting. So their account is getting credited and his account is getting, Suresh's account is getting debited. Okay, and we found out the closing balance. Now the cash is same, bills receivable same. There is a difference in our debtors because provision has changed, stock has changed, fixed asset has changed. Here partners loan is exactly same, sundry creditors are same, and the revised capital and our balance sheet tallies. With this, I believe our chapter, the theory part of the chapter is over. In my coming videos, I will be solving the practical questions, so be ready. Okay, thank you so much.